begin our reaction. I weighed out 1.070 grams of calcium nitrate. So notice it's not exactly 1.00 grams, but it's close enough. So I will take that and I will pour it, or actually dump it since it's a solid, into this Erlenmeyer flask. Okay, so that is my calcium nitrate. So it's very crystalline and it may be hard to get out. So if it's hard to get out, you can take some DI water and pour the remnants in. It's rather sticky. And you can just take some water and force that into. To facilitate solubilization, I'll add 50 mils of DI water to my calcium nitrate and I'll stir it up. Okay? It may not get into solution. It eventually will. So you can use a glass rod to sort of facilitate all of that calcium nitrate to get into solution. I may have some particulates here and there, but with enough stirring, you should be able to get that all dissolved in water. Okay, remember, all nitrates are soluble, and that also will include calcium nitrate. All right, so that's my first reactant, the calcium nitrate. My second reactant is the sodium phosphate. All right, I weighed out 1.045 grams of the sodium phosphate. Again, kind of close to 1 gram. As long as I note in my notebook what I weighed out, I'm fine. So here I'll put this into the second Erlenmeyer flask, and this one goes kind of smoothly. Okay. I can also put 50 mils of DI water here to get this into solution. If you look at your solubility table in your textbook, sodium phosphate should be soluble in water. That is 50 mils. I'll pour it in here, and I'll do a quick stirring, and I'll utilize a stir bar to get that into solution. Okay, so I got my sodium phosphate into solution using the stirring rod. So now I'm going to mix my calcium nitrate and my sodium phosphate together. So it goes into one beaker, my sodium phosphate, and then my calcium nitrate goes into same beaker. Okay, so I have a cloudy solution. So I have now generated a precipitate. My goal now, out of 1.07 grams of calcium nitrate and 1.045 grams of sodium phosphate, my goal is to collect this calcium phosphate precipitate, find out my limiting reagent, and find out the percent yield.